just had one of the coolest run-ins I've had yet with this truck. So I just left Winn-Dixie, and I'm heading to the gym right now. And I see this ST in traffic, and we get to the light, and there's one car in front of him. Well, this one car is crawling, so I just get on it. And I see this ST come around, and this ST Explorer come around the car, and now the ST's coming up on my bumper, and I just get on it, and, you know, of course, the truck downshifts, and it's louder than hell itself. And then the ST and I end up at the stoplight together right before the gym, and this lady puts down her window, and it's someone's grandma. Like, I'm not even joking, it's someone's grandma. And she's just like, hey, I like the truck. She goes, that thing sounds mean. And I was like, thank you, thank you. She goes, is it quick? And I'm just like, no, it's just got the exhaust and the intake on it. I was like, you would beat me in a race. I'm like, my buddy's girlfriend wants one. And she goes, you want to laugh? I go, what's that? She goes, I beat an RT Challenger the other day with no problem in eco mode. And I was just like, yeah, I believe you. Shout out to Ford. Those Explorer STs are fast. I mean, Caleb and I were watching videos with $2,000 in mods. You can get in like the 11s, which is just ridiculous in a full-size SUV. But I just got over here to the gym, raced someone's grandma this morning, kind of, and gonna go in here and do some cardio quick. 6 a.m., just got to the gym. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope all of you are having a great day so far whenever you guys are watching this. Devin, you guys have not met yet on the channel, just recently bought a 2020 Ram Classic, and we got to head back down to the dealership. Of course, they didn't align it when he bought it, so they were in a rush, so they didn't do it, but we're heading down there today, and then hopefully after he'll let me stop, because I want to try and get some new clothes, but if not, I'm going to have to go to the mall solo. So we're going to head down to the dealership. I'll try and get some shots of some Dodges. Show you guys around the Ram. And hopefully they have something relatively cool, like a Hellcat or a Shaker. A Shaker would be cool. But we're going to head down to the dealership. Guys, I'll introduce you guys to Devin, show you guys around the truck. We will have to do some 5.7 versus 5.0 Coyote racing coming soon to the channel. So he's going to get walked, obviously. But it'll still be fun and entertaining for you guys. And also, today is expected delivery of my head strap, so I can get some driving POVs and all the cars for you guys. And that is what I'm really excited for. The head strap paired with the draggy should make for some okay content, so. This is a nice, ooh, that's not good. That's not supposed to be doing that. But a nice spec. Well, as suspected, there's nothing cool at Dodge. I will say all those Challenger wide bodies though that are in the showroom, that's kind of cool. All right, so we're leaving the Dodge dealership. We've been here for almost 2 hours, and they just told us that's gonna take another hour. Mopar, no car, right?
Gotta go, Rico.
So we're walking up to Ford. Hopefully gonna try and find some food on the way because we're both starving, even though Devin ate literally like 5 hours ago. But gas station food. I can see it. We have successfully made it.
Successfully probably made it.
Well, this is kind of cool. I've never seen dealer plates. There's pictures of fish. It's a lot better than the basic normal. I mean, most of the time you only get this, like the license plate frame. That's kind of sick that they have this. I like that. So sick. Well, we just walked 15 minutes down the side of US 1, and there's nothing down here. Literally nothing. There's a Platinum F250 that Devin pointed out, which is pretty cool. We got a Lightning and a Mach-E. Nobody cares about those. They have two 5.0s. One of them's a convertible, so it doesn't count. And that's about it. Oh, and nothing but 2021 and 2022 XLT F-150s.
Highlight of the trip?
Snacks.
Food.
Yeah, except I can't eat anything.
I'll eat whatever I want. I don't care. I'll be fat and happy.
I'll be skinny and depressed. I didn't realize your truck had the classic badge already on it. Keep it clean. We've made it to the mall. Devin's gotta do some back to school shopping. This is a meme. Man's walking to his brand new Corvette. Well, back in the Ford. Feels weird being back in the Ram when I was with Devin. Although I gotta say, if this thing was not a Platinum, I don't think I would rather be in the Ford than the Ram. The Ram, the seats were a little bit more bolstered. I had a spot for everything. The Ford, it's like driving a big square box, but I won't go too in depth. We are going to do an in-depth review of this truck in a specific video made for it. But I'm heading home. I'm absolutely starving. Since I've been intaking more protein, I've been having to eat a lot more, obviously. And now that I am eating more and eating the healthy amount of food I was not at a certain time, but I need to eat. Well, just finished up eating. And the head mount got delivered for POV drives, and then also the suction cup windshield mount. But I am super excited to go try this thing out, and why don't we go do it? Why don't we go give you guys a little sneak peek of a future driving video to come? We are in Mexico, so no harm done. That would be about quarter throttle. I really hope the camera's doing this justice because it is so excruciating loud. It's actually not funny. I mean, it sounds really low and deep toned at the bottom, and then up top it's just screaming. Borla did a great job with this exhaust. We actually put it on in Caleb's driveway. Shout out to Caleb, Kayla, Lexi, and myself, and Mitch. Don't forget Mitch. Mopar.